Hi all, most of you already know how the Bangalore weather is. It's usually remain cool and breezy all year round. Very often morning starts with bright sunshine and by afternoon clouds and rainfall surprises you. It's highly unpredictable. So does setting curd in the city. You heard it right. Whenever I used to set curd at home, it either never sets or never results into a proper consistency. Sudden temperature drop in Bangalore either stops or slows down the fermentation process, and then I have to rely on different hacks to maintain the temperature. So in order to solve this problem and to make thick and tasty homemade curd, I decided to buy Agaro curd maker 4 months back, which comes with a container of capacity 1.2 liters. For setting the curd, I am using here half liter of full cream milk. Since it's a fresh milk, I will just bring it to a boil. After that, I will just allow it to cool down. We want milk should be little warm before using it for setting the curd. This outer white color container helps to increase and maintain the temperature, which further supports in fermentation process. Here I am using the steel container which came along. You can also use some other container which can properly fit in. I am adding here some mild warm milk. For starter, I am using here Akshay Kalpa organic curd. Then I am adding here some curd. Here I use little like more curd, but using half teaspoon of curd is enough. Just mix everything well and put the lid on. This plastic lid is the one which we got along with the curd maker, but I usually use these type of steel lids which I got from local market in Collier. I will place the outer lid and switch it on. For your reference, I am also showing the time taken to set the curd. So here I am starting at 4:21 in evening. So exactly after 5 hours at 9:22 in night, we are going to open this. You will feel on lifting, the bottom is little warm and the curd is all set. So you can enjoy this fresh curd instantly, but I'm just going to keep it overnight in the fridge and going to use from the next day. So after taking out from the fridge, the curd has been set really well. Next day after taking out from the fridge, the curd is looking even more thicker, and this consistency is just perfect for making homemade shrikhand, puddings, raita and lot of other dishes. So when I just place the spoon on the top, it is not digging inside and also giving me lot of satisfaction and happiness that finally I'm able to make a very good consistency of curd just by using a 500 rupee machine all round the year and in all climatic conditions. Talking about the steel container which came along, its outer edge is getting rusted, but it's not the same inside, so it is safe to use as of now. And many a times I even use the steel bhagonia top, whatever you call it, for making curd in this machine. So there is no difference in the results and you can also try that. This time I kept the curd overnight and it got a little sour, so I used it for making curry. Altogether, I'm quite happy with the performance of the product, very much useful in daily life, and because of this I'm able to have like fresh chaach, lassi almost every alternate day and I'm totally loving it. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're really liking the content, please give your feedbacks and suggestions in the comment section. If you have not subscribed yet, then do consider subscribing. Also press the bell icon to get all the future notifications and updates. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.